Partnership with teacher training institutions. The following steps provide a roadmap for creating, implementing, sustaining, and evaluating partnerships between schools and businesses. Identify and research potential partners, assess all potential offering of business partners, determine which schools and students have the greatest needs, make community connections, tap internal strengths, understand your core values, draft a partnership proposal and submit it to your potential partner. Have a frank discussion about values, goals, and needs. Establish common ground. Assess the impact of partnership on the academic, social, and physical well being of students. Define short and long range goals of partnership, including expected outcomes. Align activities with education goals of school. Reflective practice. Reflective practice is related with the learning which we gain from experience. Reflective practice is an important strategy of lifelong learning which is effectively used by professionals. Reflective practice is a source of development of qualified, autonomous, self directed professionals. The use of reflective practice reduces the gap between theory and practice and it stimulates the professional and personal. Key elements of reflection. Reflection has following key elements. Number one, making sense of experience, standing back to gain a better perspective of the experience, the repetition and checking for missing things, deeper honesty to accept a normal course of events, weighing up and balanced in judgment, clarity as viewing the events being reflected by a mirror, deeper understanding, making judgments to develop or adopt a strategy, activity, or an approach. Models of reflection. Several models of reflection have been proposed for the engagement in the process of reflection by the individual. It depends upon the individual to select a model or framework for reflection in which he finds himself comfortable and which helps him to learn from his past learning experiences. Some of the important models of reflection have been discussed below. Gibbs reflective cycle, Jones 2000 model for structured reflection, Rolfe et al. 2001 framework for reflexive practice. Modes of reflective practice, reflection in practice, reflection on practice, reflection for practice. Action research. Action research is a type of applied research in which the researcher is actively involved in the cause for which the research is conducted. It is a process of systematic inquiry that seeks to improve social issues affecting the lives of everyday people. Historically, the term action research has been long associated with the work of Kurt Lewin, who viewed this research methodology as cyclical, dynamic, and collaborative in nature. Action research in education. It is one method that teachers use for improvement in both their practice and their students' learning outcomes. The central goal of action research is positive educational change. This change impacts significantly on the teacher's involvement and how they teach. In a school setting, participants could include teachers, students, parents, and community members. As in all forms of research, records are kept of the process and findings are published or presented to a wider audience. Characteristics of action research. Integrated conducted as part of a teacher's normal daily practice, reflective a process which alternates between plan implementation and critical reflection. Flexible method, data and interpretation are defined in the light of the understanding again gained during the research process. Active, a process designed to generate change in small steps. Relevant meets the needs of teachers and or their students. Focus on a single issue of school improvement. Collaborative, teachers and leaders working together to improve students' outcomes. Planned and organized approach to answering a question, learning stimulus, construction of new knowledge by teachers about their practice. Action research model, diagnosis, identifying or defining a problem. Action planning, considering alternative courses of action, taking action, selecting a course of action, evaluating, studying the consequences of an action, specifying learning, identifying general findings, and again diagnosing. Detailed action research model adopted from Sussman 1983. The promise of the 21st century. The entrance in the 21st century has manifold the responsibility of teachers and teachers educators, as teachers are the personalities who can prepare a nation to handle the challenges of this century successfully. This is not a simple task. It is more demanding and complex as compared to the past. First of all, we have to assess that what adjustments and changes we have to make so that we can face these challenges with dynamism and enthusiasm. As a start, we have to determine which skills have become essential for our survival or what should be included in our new profile. Contemporary dilemmas for teacher education, developing programs for teachers training, knowledge for teaching, program designs and pedagogies, coherence and integration. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज का हमारा यूनिट कंप्लीट हो गया है। आप लोगों का कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो आप कर सकते हैं, मुझे कमेंट कर दें, इंशाल्लाह मैं उसका जवाब आपको एज सुन एज पॉसिबल दे दूंगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड लिसनिंग। अल्लाह ताला हम सब का आमीन नासिर हो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।